Hi and welcome to the last lesson of the course where I'll be showing you how to add our illustrations to a mockup. I've set them as JPG. And here we'll find the folder with the 2 pages of this mockup I downloaded from internet for free, and I'll attach them with the rest of the files. So let's open it and just double click on it to open it. What we are going to do now is looking for the JPG files. So go here and select one of them. I'll take Guillotine. To save it, we can press Ctrl S or go to the File tab and click on Save. And here it goes. It's been applied to the page on the right, so let's insert another in the left page following the same steps. Go to Place Embedded and select, for example, this one. I need to adjust the illustration, so I'm going to make it bigger so that it fits the image at the bottom. More or less like this. I'm doing it faster than usual so that you can see the result. And here's our second illustration. Ctrl S, don't forget it. I'm going to adjust the one on the right so that they have the same size. Press Ctrl T, accept and save, and this will be the result. Hope that you liked it and you learned how to include them in your mockup. I'll be waiting for you in the goodbye lesson, which, yeah, it's the last one.